Hello everyone, welcome to today's review, where today I'll be reviewing Flo. Flo first arrived in Radiator Springs as a touring Motorama girl. She was heading west with a transport for models when a chaperone blew her transmission just outside of town. Flo and the other Motorama girls spent an unforgettable weekend in Radiator Springs, where they got new tyres from Luigi, souvenirs from Lizzie, and a new paint job from Ramon. But when it came to paint Flo, Ramon threw down his airbrush, not because he was too good to paint her, but because she was too good to paint. The next day when the girls left, Flo stayed. She and Ramon have been together ever since. So, she is a, quite a, simplistic design, but, she ain't a race car. And I'm wondering what car she's based on. She's based on a modified 1955 Lincoln Futura. Never heard of those cars before. So, yeah. So let's have a closer look at her. So there we go. No grill. Kind of looks like the Batmobile, if I'm honest. Just saying. She's got a nice smile with grey lips. Old choice by Pixar. Got little dot headlights. Well, how do you meant to be headlights? I don't know, but okay, she got that turquoisey blue again. Oh, this was a green colour, I suppose. Sort of a chalky green running across the side, and white wall tyres as well. Very nice. Right, not massive fins as well. And there's a number plate which reads Showgirl. Again, massive brake lights and wings. Not wings. I mean, they kind of look like wings, so... Well, let's look at that massive rear windscreen, which seems to wrap around on the summer side of the car, which I think is really interesting, actually.